Welcome. In front of me say Samsung Galaxy S20, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's open up settings, and from here find device care. So it's right here, and from device care you want to tap on storage and go into advanced, choose your SD card, and here you will see the format option. Tap on it. It will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the card. So if you have something there that you wish to keep, you might want to back it up before you begin. Otherwise you will lose it all and it won't be recoverable. So once you're ready, tap on format SD card. The process will begin and only takes a couple seconds. And once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used, as it should be right now. So there we go. Click on done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.